Hi, and welcome to the Shopware release news for January 2024. This month, we won't have to separate by cloud or self-hosted. All features we talk about in this video are available for both. Let's start with the general news. Shopware now supports spatial commerce. Spatial commerce is an up-and-coming topic which gains more and more importance in the e-commerce world. That is why you can make use of 3D features in Shopware now. Shop owners can upload 3D files in the GLB format and assign these to their products. The models will then show up on the product detail view page and are ready to be viewed in augmented reality. What does this mean? Well, it means that shoppers can preview products in a 3D space and place, for example, furniture in the living rooms. This is particularly handy for mobile devices as they come equipped with a camera most of the time. Desktop users can instead scan a QR code with their mobile device and access the 3D layer quickly and easily as well. This, in turn, leads to certain advantages for you as an online merchant. First, the wow effect. With 3D renderings, you can improve your customers' interaction rate and the time spent on your shop sites like shopping experiences. Also, the aha effect. You can get across a much more realistic and spatial impression of your products, which will lower return rates. You can read up on how to upload 3D media for your products as well as things to take note of in our documentation. Next up, we got the commercial feature and service news. This part is about features that are not included in the free community edition. Take a look at our overview to compare the different Shopware plans and activate the Shopware commercial extension to use the commercial features. First, employee management. New possibilities for order clearances in B2B. Employee management is a feature of the B2B components which has been available for Shopware Evolve and beyond since October 2023. It allows users to assign roles and permissions according to their company's structures. In a B2B context, this is important because oftentimes multiple employees with different responsibilities are purchasing for their company. With the B2B employee management, your business clients can create individual logins for their employees, resulting in more control and a higher level of security. This feature has been updated. Namely, B2B customers can now set up permissions in such a way that employees can only place orders after they've been cleared by someone who is authorized to do this. Our documentation for the B2B employee management will explain all the possibilities of this configuration to you. Please note, such conditions are currently only available in tandem with extensions from the extension or app system. With the next update, we want to make this available via a user interface similar to the rule builder. Also, as of right now, order clearance from employees does not work in combination with quote management yet. Coming to the next topic. Custom-tailored offers in a B2B context. New features for the quote management. We already released the quote management as part of the B2B components by the end of last year, starting with Shopware Evolve. As a reminder, quote management simplifies the purchase and negotiation processes for B2B merchants and their customers. This is because it allows them to propose individual offers for products and bulk orders quickly and efficiently to each other. In order for this process, which is essential in a B2B context, to be even smoother and effective, we added a few features to the quote management. As a B2B merchant, you get to profit from these improvements. Better communication. You and your B2B clients can include comments with offers and inquiries. More insight. You can see all offers in the customer information as well as purchase and sale prices from within the offer overview. Your business clients can display all relevant documents which are related to their inquiry of an offer. Additional products. Now you can send offers for products which are not available in your store in the usual way. Simply use a custom text field and assign a price. Offers in PDF format. For every offer, you can now create a PDF file and edit the template for it as you like. More control. Your business clients can determine who among their employees can inquire for offers and who cannot. This does require the use of the employee management feature. For more information on the offer management, feel free to check out the documentation. Coming to the next big topic, AI Copilot, search by image and search by context. Your customers can now search for a product by uploading an image to the search instead of using text. They will then receive recommendations for similar products in your shop based on the contents of their picture. As an example, a customer could upload a picture of someone wearing a jacket they really like. The search will allow the customer to search for that same or similar jackets in your store based on the image. Search by context allows your customers to make use of the search in their native language. so they're no longer required to use the shop's language to find something they would love to purchase. These new features are additions and thus can be used alongside the normal search. Also worth noting is that search by image and search by context are separate features, but both can be enabled in the same storefront. And with this, we're coming to the final new feature: spatial commerce in shopping experiences. With the addition of spatial commerce in Shopware, you can now also design shopping experiences including 3D elements to take your shop's design to the next level. This will greatly increase customer attraction, as this is likely something new and exciting that most shoppers have never seen before in a store. In order to enable this, we've added a new block in the designer for shopping experiences called 3D Viewer. As with the initially mentioned spatial commerce for products, this feature comes ready for augmented reality for mobile devices, coupled with QR code activation. Last, but definitely not least, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all GitHub contributors for their pull requests that have been incorporated into this version.